So here's the final answer to the final challenge. We know that in order to be able to render that read more page, we need an anchor tag, right? If we were to add our anchor tag inside our home.ejs, let's try and do it here. Let's add an anchor tag that simply says read more. And if I hit save and refresh, then you'll notice that I've got the read more that shows up below my paragraph. Now, this might be what you want. If so, then continue this way. But if you wanted the read more to be on the same line as the paragraph tag, then you have to include this anchor tag just before the end of the paragraph. So somewhere here, right? And so let's separate out our paragraph tag into its two components. One is that truncated bit of post content, and the second one is going to be our anchor tag that will take us to that post's individual page. Now, in order to do that, our anchor tag will need a link, right? So we'll need an href. And the href is going to equal to the URL that will take us to the individual page. Now, we know that inside home.ejs, we already have access to the post's title for each and every post on the home page. We already have access to this, and we also know that we've set up our routes so that if we say posts / and we simply put in the name of the title, so say day 1 with a space in between, so this looks exactly the same as the title, and we hit enter, then we get taken to the page of that blog post. That means that our href can simply be /posts / the title of the post that we want to see. And to insert that, we of course need our EJS tags, so angle, percentage equals, and then percentage angle. And in between, we're just going to put post.title. And now we should be able to tap into that URL /posts / the title of each and every post. So now if I hit save and I refresh and I go back to my home page, then you can see I've now got this read more link next to each truncated post. And when I click on it, it shows me the individual pages of the blog posts. I hope you had fun in this challenge module. I know it's pretty long, but it goes through and reaffirms all of the things that we've learned up till now. And if you have completed this module without needing to look at a single hint or the answer, then you've done really, really well, and you should be getting a gold star for your efforts. And you can be pretty confident that you've grasped all of the concepts up till now and you're ready to move on. Now, if you needed to look at a couple of the hints, or if you needed to look at all the hints and even the answers, I would recommend to give your mind a few days break and then to go through the challenge once more with fresh eyes and try to complete it without using any of the hints. This really is where you're going to improve and where you're going to level up. And I recommend to give it some time and be patient and try to make sure that you've really made all of this knowledge your own before you proceed. So that's all from me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next module.